Department of Social Security Administration. How may I help you?
Hello, I got a voicemail from you. Yes, you're on the Social Security. Yes.
Yeah, you reached to the Department of Social Security Administration and is speaking with Officer Mark Edward. How may I help you?
Hello there, Officer Mark Edward. Yes, I got a message to ring you in regard to my Social Security.
All right, sir. Can I have your first and last name so I can pull up your file and verify you all the details?
Yes, my first name is Bella. That's B for Bull, E for Echo, L for Lemon, A for
Yeah.
Apple,
All right.
and my last
Got
name
your
is
last name, sir?
Lagusi, which is L for Lemon, O for
Yeah.
Orange, G for Gorilla, U
Hmm.
for Under, S for Sugar,
Hmm.
and I for Ice Cream.
All right, sir. Verify your date of birth.
Yes, my date of birth is January the
Yeah.
1st, 1959.
1959. All right. Confirm your social security number, sir.
Yes, I'll give you the last four digits. 4, 2,
No, no, sir. No. Full social security
full.
number.
Oh, very
I
well.
want to.
Right, it's 574
Yeah.
14
Hmm.
4221.
Repeat again, sir.
574 14 4221.
4221. All right, sir. Uh, in which state your social security number was issued?
It was
Like California, New York.
it was issued in Alaska.
All right. Now I pull up your file and verify you the reason you were connected today to inform you regarding some legal enforcement action filed on your social security. We have got an order to suspend your social at this right moment because we have found many
Suspend my
suspicious
social?
act.
Why
Yeah,
why why would you suspend my social?
because I verify you all the details step by step because we have found many suspicious activities which is done on your social. All right. Firstly, please grab a pen and a piece of paper. As what I'm going to say, you have to make a note of it.
Right. Give me 1 minute. I have to get a piece of paper. I have a pen.
All right. All right.
Right. I have a piece of paper. I am ready to take whatever you
All
need.
right. First, firstly, write your case ID number, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
DC, D for Delta, C for Charlie, DC
Yeah.
7010.
7010. Yes.
All right. Now, write my information for future reference. Write my name,
Yes, go ahead.
Mark Edward, MARK, Mark, EDWARD, Edward.
Right, I've got that.
Write my batch ID number,
Your bitch ID number, yes, go ahead.
570764.
570764.
All right. Now, I would also like to inform you that these lines are getting federally monitored and recorded. So please do not interrupt me while I'm giving you details about this case.
Right,
I will give
I
you
won't
fair
interrupt
chance to
you
speak
while you're
after I
giving me the
done.
details of this case.
Your social has been found suspicious for criminal activities in the state of Texas. Have you ever been to the state of Texas before?
I've never been to the state of Texas. It's too sunny.
Never. All right.
The sun does
Because we are
not,
taking this issue.
the sun
Yeah?
and I do
Go
not
ahead.
get on.
All right. Because we are taking this issue to the FBI headquarters as we are having strong evidence that are enough to prove you guilty inside the courthouse. The investigation started when we
Inside
found
where?
an
Inside where?
yeah,
Did you say the courthouse?
I repeat again. I said, do not interrupt me while I am giving you details about your case. I will give you fair chance to speak after I have done. Are we clear?
Oh, very well, very well.
All right. The investigation started when we found an abandoned car on the south border of Texas, and the car contains some blood and drug residues inside it. Hence, after investigation, we found that the car was contained. Hello.
Hello, yeah, you told me
The
not to
car
speak.
was.
You told me not to speak and
Yeah,
interrupt,
yeah.
so why now you're asking
I
me?
said, hence after investigation, we found that the car was rented on your name and on your personal social information. There are two addresses linked with the title of the vehicle. It was raided by U.S. Marshal, but unfortunately there was no one inside the residence. What we have recovered 22 pounds of cocaine, which is an abusive drug, and some documentation from financial institutes such as Chase Bank, Bank of America, U.S. Bank, and many of the other banks. And this entire paper box has your name on it, and thousands of dollars has been wired from this bank account locally and internationally. This totally seems suspicious to us. That is the reason we as a Social Security Administration of the state of Texas has filed case against you for drug trafficking and as well as money laundering. Now let us know, do you have any questions regarding this case and your criminal activities?
Yes. Regarding the car with the blood, how much blood was in it?
Yeah?
Was there a
Excuse
lot
me
of
sir,
blood?
repeat again.
I said in the
Some blood.
car, in the
The car con-
Toyota.
the car con- some blood and drug
How much is some?
residues
A
inside.
pint of blood? Half a
On the
pint?
on the seat paper,
1 liter of
not in a
blood?
bottle. On the seat,
On the seat. Was it a liter of blood?
not in a bottle.
Not in a bottle. Ah, doesn't
It
matter.
is on the seat.
Doesn't matter to me. Yeah, carry on. Carry on,
Yeah.
sir. Carry on.
Go ahead. What are you saying, sir?
I'm saying, carry on.
You don't have any question. I said
Well,
you don't have any question.
I do. I do. Where is this car now? What have you done with the car?
I said you doing these criminal activities or any other person are doing these criminal activities.
Not these criminal activities, no.
All right. Have you ever lost your wallet in the past?
No. Well, I did. I think I did lose it once in Transylvania, but I did get it. I did get it back. Igor
Excuse
sent
me,
it
sir.
back to
Repeat
me.
again. What?
I said Renfield sent it back to me. He found it in my castle, and he sent it back to me.
Where you lost?
I lost my card in Transylvania.
All right. Now, do you have used your social information on internet for purchasing anything or for credit card
Only,
or
only for,
banking information?
on, only for shopping.
You use your social information for shopping.
Yes. I have specific
All
things
right.
that need a social security number to purchase them.
All right. See, we are having very short time, and what you have done was totally against the law of U.S. Treasury, and we have to sign arrest warrant against your name and have to suspend your social right away. According to Section 42, subsection C of 1958, Drug Enforcement Administration Act, you are going to be taken for non-bail jail term of 9 years, and the penalty should be $89,000.
What? I will be going behind the bars?
Yeah. What in this regard, we have also checked your past records and we have found your banking contains genuine records and your social have no other complaints in the past. That is the only reason we try to reach you before you face any legal consequences.
Very
So
well.
if you are agree to so if you are agree to help the Department of Treasury in this case, then only we can put your case and warrant on hold, as we have to find a real culprit who has used your personal information towards this criminal activity. So what are your intention towards this case file which is going to be executed once the line gets disconnected? Are
Well,
you agree to help the
I will.
department
Yes,
to
I will
clear your
agree
name?
to help you. I will agree to help you.
Alright, that's great. And trust me, cancelling your arrest warrant is not an easy task. We have to suspend your social right away from your name and have to issue new social on your name. So in future we can catch the suspect and as well as you can save yourself from this kind of criminal activities.
This
Now I
criminal
have to fill.
activities. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. What are you saying?
You're saying this will stop this criminal activity. Yes.
Yeah. Now I have to fill up a form 11 over here and forward to State Court of Taxes. You have to help me out with necessary information so that we can do the useful for you, as we have an access to some suspicious information which is linked with your existing social.
Very well.
We need to differentiate. We need to differentiate which information is true and which is not. We need to differentiate your personal assets from the real imposters. All right.
Yes. Very well.
You live in a house, is your own house or your rented house?
No, I own a large house.
Yes, sir. Own house.
One house. Yes. I only need one.
You live in your own house or your rented house?
At my own house.
All right. You live alone or with your family?
No, I live alone, and my children of the night.
All right. What is your current zip code?
My current zip code is, if you can bear with me, because I've forgotten it, it is
Hello.
90125.
90125.
That's California.
All right. So how many vehicles do you have under your name, like car, motorbike?
No vehicles. I just fly everywhere.
You have no vehicles. All right.
No vehicles. No, I just fly everywhere.
No vehicles. Sir, confirm your zip code again.
90125, Los Angeles, California.
All right. Now make sure, as a federal officer, we are authorized to get any personal banking information over the phone, but no bank account number, no routing number, anything like that. All right.
Very well. Yes.
Now, how many bank you are banking with?
I just bank with one.
One bank. What is the name of that bank?
It's called the Blood Bank.
I said bank.
That's what I said. It's called the Blood Bank.
All right. Then you can simply hang up the call and wait for the legal consequences. Okay.
Mwahaha. Let me suck your blood. Mwahaha.
Thanks for watching. Don't have nightmares.